Hello, it's Darlene LaFawn here from C2 Online. Thank you for joining us today. We're covering our C2 Online Bookkeepers quote, Step 1, Profile Your Client, Tasks 15. Now this task is relative to the type of clients we have that provide us every single receipt that they touch in their life, whether it's personal or for their business. These receipts even may be folded, or they may be not ensuring that their debit receipt and their actual official, like the debit transaction for the bank and their official receipt is not attached together. So you're now finding duplicate transactions, one being an official receipt and one being a bank, like it's like a check stub really. So the percentage of receipts provided when we're involved in the sorting of the receipts to ensure we match the items to the statement accounts, or we ensure we post every cash transaction or shareholder transaction, we're touching every single receipt. So this, again, task number 15, folded receipts, is really about the percentage of receipts provided that are folded, duplicated, not required, unstapled to the duplicate, and unmatched. So that percentage we've used is that 20% of the receipts. And these standards, again, are indicated based on our average clients. So you may, the first year you're doing the client and you're providing a quote, you may want to leave that standard, or just by conversation with the client, you might determine that you expect there's going to be a lot of extra receipts because they've indicated they don't know what they're supposed to give you. So, I mean, the timing on this will be lost. You won't be reimbursed for those extra receipts. We encourage you to keep track of those receipts, the number of those that are not used physically at the end of a session in your billing notes, so that you can have a meeting with the client indicating these items were extra, these items were not allowed, or you're going to want to provide those receipts to the client in an envelope so that they can evaluate what of those receipts you've assumed are not eligible, and they, with further explanation, can justify that item. Thank you for joining us today. This is C2 Online, Darlene LaFawn. Please watch our YouTube presentation for further YouTubes.